Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Bakken-Swiss 20-piece kitchen cookware set. A must-have for every cook, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. This comprehensive set includes multi-sized pots, medium to large skillets, and heat-resistant kitchen tool utensils, ensuring you're never missing a piece. Featuring cutting-edge non-stick technology with a granite coating, this cookware promises even heat distribution and retention, making it suitable for all stove types and ovens safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for both durability and comfort, the Cool Touch, form-fitting handle grips make maneuvering easy, while the transparent tempered glass lids let you monitor your dishes without losing heat or flavor. The long-lasting granite coating ensures these pieces are built to endure, and the stain-resistant surfaces make cleaning a breeze, though hand-washing is recommended to maintain their longevity. With the Bakken-Swiss cookware set, you're not just investing in quality but also in eco-responsibility, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.